In this video, I'll be introducing a powerful and advanced trading tool designed to help you analyze the market with greater precision and make more informed trading decisions. This powerful tool will help you not only analyze market structure effectively, but also identify valid order blocks, fair value gaps, and key support and resistance levels. Introducing the Smart Money Toolkit by Algo, a comprehensive trading indicator built to decode market dynamics in real time. I will walk you through everything you need to know about this indicator, starting from what the indicator is all about, the amazing features of the indicator, and finally, I will show you a proven strategy that you can use with this indicator to make profits in the market. So, if that sounds interesting to you, kindly show your support by hitting the like button. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated each time we make new videos. Now, let's dive in. First, what exactly is the Smart Money Toolkit all about? Smart Money Toolkit is an all-in-one trading indicator designed to decode institutional activity and smart money concepts in real time. It automatically detects key market structure shifts, like break of structure and change of character, highlights fair value gaps, liquidity sweeps, order blocks with volumetric data, and visualizes premium and discount zones. With dynamic structure filtering, multi-timeframe analysis, built-in alerts, and more, it helps traders spot high-probability setups and trade with the precision of institutional players. To add this indicator to your chart, just head over to Trading View. Then open any trading security that you like, and on any time frame. I will be using the Euro-Dollar chart on the 15-minute time frame. Then click on the Indicator Search tab and search for Smart Money Toolkit. Then select this one by Algo. Keep in mind that this is a premium indicator. So to get access, all you have to do is click the link in the description below to visit the Smart Algo official website, where you can purchase the right to use this indicator. So this is the wonderful Smart Money Toolkit by Algo. Now, what makes this indicator stand out? Let's quickly break down the amazing features of this indicator. First, we have the volumetric order blocks. In basic price action, we know that order blocks represent key zones where buyers or sellers are entering the market with significant momentum. These areas often serve as critical supply and demand zones. The Smart Money Toolkit automatically plots these order blocks and also incorporates volumetric data to give deeper insight into market activity. Within each order block, you'll see green and red bars that represent the relative strength of buyers and sellers. If the green bar is longer than the red bar, it indicates buyers' dominance in the current move of the market, thereby suggesting a stronger bullish presence. Conversely, a longer red bar signals sellers' dominance, pointing to potential bearish continuation. Importantly, this volumetric info is dynamic, updating in real time as price action evolves, giving you up-to-date insight into market sentiment within each zone. Next, we have the fair value gaps. These are zones of price imbalance on the chart, often created by sharp institutional moves, and they frequently act as potential areas of supply and demand. The Smart Money Toolkit automatically identifies and highlights these imbalances in real time. Bullish and bearish fair value gaps are clearly distinguished using color coding. Green represents bullish fair value gaps, signaling potential demand zones. Red represents bearish fair value gaps, indicating possible supply zones. This visual distinction makes it easier for traders to quickly assess where price may react or reverse, enhancing decision-making accuracy. The indicator also provides comprehensive insights into market structure, enabling traders to better understand overall market direction. It automatically detects and plots two key structural elements: break of structure and change of character. A break of structure occurs when price breaks a previous high or low within an uptrend or downtrend. The indicator clearly marks both bullish and bearish break of structures, helping you identify the prevailing trend and anticipate possible continuation moves. On the other hand, a change of character is formed when a recent high or low is broken in a manner that suggests a shift in momentum. This typically signals a potential trend reversal or a change in market direction. By automatically plotting these structural elements, the Smart Money Toolkit offers traders a clear, real-time view of structural shifts, significantly enhancing market structure analysis and decision-making. Another valuable feature of this indicator is the visualization of premium and discount zones. This tool helps traders quickly assess whether an asset is currently undervalued or overvalued relative to its recent price range. The blue zone represents the discount area, indicating a price level where the asset is considered cheaper and potentially favorable for buying opportunities. The red zone marks the premium area, suggesting the asset is trading at a higher than average price, often seen as a potential selling opportunity. While the white zone signifies the equilibrium, where price is considered fair or balanced between buyers and sellers. By clearly highlighting these zones on the chart, the indicator allows traders to make more informed decisions based on price positioning within the market structure. Now that we've covered the key features of the indicator, let me walk you through a simple and effective trading strategy you can apply using this tool. It's also worth noting that the indicator is fully customizable. If you open the settings, you'll find a range of adjustments that allow you to tailor the indicator to suit your personal trading style and preferences. For the purpose of this video, I'll only disable the bar color to retain the original appearance of the candlesticks. All other settings will remain at their default. Now, before making any trading decisions, it's essential to first understand the overall trend of the market to ensure you're trading in alignment with the prevailing trend. We can easily do that by looking at the multi-timeframe trend table displayed at the top of the chart. This table provides real-time trend information across multiple timeframes, including the 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily timeframes. So all we need to see here is at least 3 consecutive timeframes, displaying the same market direction to give us a directional bias. As you can see, we have the 1-hour, the 4-hour, and the daily timeframe, all indicating a bullish trend, which reflects strong buying pressure. With this confirmation, our focus will shift toward identifying buying opportunities in line with the dominant trend. Now that we've established the market direction, the next step is to identify the most recent break of structure. As shown on the chart, the indicator has clearly marked a bullish break of structure, confirming continued upward momentum. Following that, we look for a valid order block. Just below, the indicator has identified and plotted a fresh bullish order block, which will serve as our primary zone of interest. Now, as price pulls back into the identified order block, we don't just enter the trade blindly. Instead, we wait for candlestick confirmation to solidify our entry. Now, the reason why we wait for candlestick confirmation before entering is because, most times, price tends to grab liquidity below the zone before reversing, or even move further to the next order block. By waiting for a clear reversal candlestick formation within the zone, we gain additional confirmation that market momentum is shifting. In this particular setup, we observe a long wick doji candle, followed by another bullish candle, a strong indication of buying interest returning at the order block. So, with this confirmation in place, we execute a buy entry at the close of the bullish candle, placing the stop loss slightly below the order block to allow for market noise. The take profit target is set at a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. As the trade plays out, we can see how price pushed up from there, giving us a profitable trade. Same concept also applies to a bearish setup. So this is simply how you can use the Smart Money Toolkit to trade profitably in the market. Do well to check out the indicator by clicking the link in the description below, as it will direct you to Smart Algo official website where you can purchase the right to use this indicator. That's all for this video, guys. If you found value in it, kindly show your support by hitting the like button. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated each time we make new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.